This is Sean Shepperly with Shades Austin, and I wanted to discuss some benefits with you today about exterior shades. Exterior solar screens are motorized, retractable screens made with Somfy motors inside them. The manufacturer is called Rainier. Basically, the benefits to an exterior solar screen are going to be reduced heat gain, very popular on west sides of houses. It'll reduce the temperature from your patio and your house as well, up to about 20 degrees temperature through an exterior solar screen. They also keep the glare off, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor space, create almost a four seasons room year-round there, and enjoy that without the glare. And my favorite benefit to them is keeping the bugs out. We all know how bad the mosquitoes are and the flies and the wasps and whatnot in Texas. And with these exterior screens, once you have them all run down, zipped into the track system, it actually will keep your patio from all those critters and pesky little flying bugs and whatnot.